G'day everyone, Matt here from Two Wheels Out Back. Today we're back in the garage, the bike's back on the stand, and we're going to swap out a part that for me is going to make a huge difference to how this bike runs. So anyway, let's show you what it is. 15-tooth sprocket. So is the equivalent, roughly 3 to 4 tooth increase in the rear. I've just been finding the gearing's just not loving this setup at the moment. For the stuff that I've been doing, it's just not working for me. So got recommended by a few people, go to a 15, huge difference. Should mean I'm sitting around that second, third a lot nicer. So we'll see. That'll be in a later video. We're going to do a test between them both because Eddie's still running 16. So we'll show the difference on the same trail. But I guess one of the things I should tell you is I'm only replacing the front sprocket. Now, yep, frowned upon in the world that I come from, but the reason I'm doing it is because one, I want to see if it changes it, and two, I'm not overly worried about it. Because your chain obviously wears your sprockets to how they are. It's got a little bit of play in that chain already, so you know, like it's not going to be a big deal for me. It's going to wear this sprocket a bit quicker. I'm not worried about it. So we'll get into it. I'm really hoping I'm going to drop this rear wheel, take the case saver off. There's a little safety washer in there that will whack back. And fingers crossed, I may have to take the chain guard off. Well, I'm hoping just flop that chain out. Now I'm looking at it, probably take the gear selector off as well and just bring it all out. New sprocket goes in. Although, you got these things, you got luxury these days. So I'll quickly rattle this off and then we'll have a bit of a play on the front sprocket and see how we go. Do the old balance test. I was a little concerned that might flip, but it seems to be okay. So, let's see what happens. Okay. I love you guys. Here you go. Yes, I haven't washed my bike. Alright, now, may not, if in doubt, smack it out. There we go. Okay. Got that all smacked back. We didn't need to go that far, but anyway, so here we go. Now, what size are you? Washer that's on there. Need that, that and that. Come on, baby. Yes. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Obviously this washes the gear, so you just got to line it up. Like so. On your nut, there's two, see how there's two, light. Flat bit there, so you can curl it over, and a flat bit here, curl it over. So that's tight, shouldn't be coming undone. Whack it back over and see what happens. Everything back on the same way. Those alignments make it quick and easy because you can actually adjust it. That key does nothing. Obviously that's your adjustment as well. Torqued up. Put them in this in the description. I'll chuck the rear wheel in. Pads on here. Needs a wash very badly. All back together. Taking that chain guard off. It's a bit tight, so I'm going to chop her on the ground, check her out, but see how it goes. Anyway guys, please like, subscribe. We'll bring you the next video probably a few days after we launch this. We'll do a comparison between stock, this new one, if there's any more noise without running the rubber cushion. But yeah, we'll do a bit of a comparo and see how we go. Anyway, catch us later.